banded agate within a Jasper rind. That's right here in the parking lot. That's freaking sweet. Hey guys, and welcome back to Elley Knows Rocks. I am standing on a hilltop of Jasper. I'm freaking out. There's gas bubble geodes, there's beautiful red banded jasper all over this hill, as well as some chalcedony and agate. I am here today with the Lake Havasu City Gem and Mineral Rockhounding Club, and we're out rockhounding, hiking, getting outside, getting some sunshine, even though it was like 45 degrees this morning. Not a cold weather person. I still have my long johns on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being part of this adventure, and let's go see what we find. I met up with the Lake Havasu Gem and Mineral Club at about 7 a.m. in the parking lot by a gas station in Lake Havasu. And we are traveling out to Parker, Arizona. Are in a caravan, a bunch of us. Woo. A little bumpy, but we're out past Parker. And we are headed towards the water right now. That direction. And I actually have no idea what we're going to look for, but I'm going to find out once we get there. I am on a group tour today with the Lake Havasu Mineral Club, and so we're going all out, and oh, it looks like we're starting to park. Okay, you guys always know it's a really good sign when you're starting to see what you're looking for right in the parking lot. Check this out. Okay, it might not look like much, right? But look at that red jasper there. Another bigger chunk right here. And that. Look at that banded agate.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Let's get ourselves on this.
This was somebody's collection they just left here. Good grief. That one though, we might have to keep. It's got that shape. Let's see. That is a lavender pink chalcedony. That's pretty. Should I break it off now? It's kind of interesting though. Good gosh, that is like solid jasper. Some quartz on the side. If there was like a fire hose to like clean that off, it would look so cool.
Good point.
You know what I mean?
And this was on a tip, so if somebody wants this, they can have it.
Wow. Yeah, they're just filthy. Like that little tiny piece right there.
Come on.
Whoa. There you go. Look how pretty that is. Man, oh man.
I think it's pretty far from the truck.
All right, I'm gonna go up this little crevasse and up to the top of the hill. See what I find up there. Multicolors is always cool. I just drop my bag to pick stuff up. Figures. Ooh. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, I think this might be a, sure what these little green things are? But there's a lot of them. I think they're like silica rounds, so they're just pieces of silica that got balled up. But they could also be gas bubble geodes. So we'll definitely look for more of those. Oh, another one. Oh, here's another one. Oh, I think these are gas bubble geodes. I'm almost positive. All right, this is a perfect example of what a gas bubble geode is. So the way they form is inside of a gas bubble, right? There was a gas bubble here and infilled the silicate and created a small geode. Some of them might be just like solid nodules inside, like we've cut open before, but see how each one of these created a bubble? And you can even see on this one, we'll get real close here. Even though it's super small, you can see that it is a miniature geode. So all of these little ones that we're finding, as tiny as they are, I know you guys are making fun of me and that's totally okay. These are all gonna open up to be geodes. Oh, isn't that cool? They look like little rabbit pellets, honestly, but they're not turds, I promise. I mean, sometimes when you're out in these places, they end up being rabbit turds like you've seen before. But these are these little geodes.
Yeah, you go up there and look on top and tell me what I think I found.
Damn. The whole place is covered with them. Look how cool these are. What? Oh no, oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh, that should come home. That is so cool. It might be really good, actually. Look at that. Oh, there's two. Oh, that could be a good one. Right there. Oh, and I squish one. I squish one. Look at it. Kind of might be hard to see, but isn't that cool? Shapes as they get bigger because all of this area was filling in. Oh, that one should be good. Yeah, here's another one maybe. Another weird one. Gosh, I hope I'm just not picking up some random stupid pieces of green rock because that's gonna look real bad later on, huh guys? Don't judge me. Really, I'm going to stop at some point. Random how gas bubble geodes are coated in almost a malachite coating. Look at the Jasper. It just keeps coming. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, you weren't kidding. Wow. This is a whole hill.
Yeah, all over the top.
Whoa.
Somebody exploded up here.
This is major silica influx. Jasper, holy cow.
Yeah, but it's...
Whoa, I think there's more over here too. Oh, more gas bubbles. Oh my gosh, are those little eggs? There's another one right here. Like, you know those birds that nest in rocks with no rocks, or with no actual nest? I think that's what those are. That's really cute. And they're just amongst a field of Jasper. And it just keeps going. Just picking up more of these little gas bubbles. They're all over. I'm hoping that they all have something in them and they're not just nodules. Oh, that's a big one too. These, they should have beautiful bands in them. Over here! Oh, look at that. Flip that guy right over. Oh, I love the pattern. Look at the pattern on this one. And then we've got this one. Just flip that over. All that inside looks pretty cool. Oh, here's another weird pattern. Kind of awesome, huh? I'm gonna be gas bubble geode like happy. All right, we're getting the call to go back to the truck because we're going to a second area. So I have big pieces, bags, tons of gas bubble geodes. My backpack is full. Oh, hopefully nothing's falling out of there. Ooh, oh, that's pretty too. Look at that. Goodness sake. Whoa. Wow. My rock is getting heavy with my other bag full of rocks. Occupational hazard of hiking and looking for rocks. Look at all the people over there. That is our caravan that has come all the way out here in the desert just to look for this stuff. Isn't that neat?
We head over to the next spot, which was about a mile south of where we were currently looking. And when I got there, I didn't check my microphone, so it wasn't plugged in all the way, so this is a voiceover. Anyways, this is the type of material we were finding out there. More open gas bubble geodes, some really great banded jasper with agate on it, some botryoidal chalcedony, and just the overall look of the ground. You can kind of see things were difficult to find, but beautiful chips of red jasper. Stuff like that looks really good in a rock tumbler. They turn out really pretty, and some people make pendants and jewelry out of them, of course. I was also helping a lot of people, showing them what to look for when it came for gas bubble geodes, or just looking at the lay of the land. So I was giving them some geology terms, and occasionally we'd come across stuff like this. It's very pitted, but when you put this in a rock tumbler, it turns out absolutely beautiful. These make great cabochons too when they're cut. But of course, my favorite, I'm thinking that these are going to be some huge gas bubble geodes. And this sucker is gigantic. I can't wait to cut it open on the tile saw or the ring saw. Hopefully it's got something hollow inside with crystals. Now I keep looking for stuff, and there was a lovely gentleman that sat down beside me, and I started showing him what to look for gas bubble geodes. So we had a lovely conversation. And now we get some very satisfying content of me opening up some of the agate jasper and the geodes. Unfortunately, there weren't as many geodes as there were nodules, but nevertheless, they were awesome. And some of the suckers were really tough to get through, but so worth it. Look at that agatized jasper and that waterline banding. Oh, it is phenomenal. All of these are going to polish up beautiful. And this one, oh, stunning. I mean, the outside kind of gave it away, but so beautiful. This guy was interesting. Some metallic bits and some yellow jasper. This one was kind of cool. You've got a little crystallized geode going on. I think if I broke off some of the outer crystals, I'd be able to get a bigger geode. This one's cool because it has a full water line all the way around what is like this almost a brownish colored jasper, but honestly, it looks pretty sweet. Not everybody's taste though. This is cool. You've got your red and your dark chocolate looking jasper with some of the country rock. This one's kind of cool with just the little spots. Again, they're not great, but it's almost dendritic. This is freaking phenomenal. You have the yellow jasper lines, and then you've got a blue agate, and then some white also in there. Absolutely stunning. I was super, super thrilled when I opened up this one. It'll make a great pendant. Now, this one shocked the hell out of me. Look at this inside. Look at all of that. Those little botryoidal features, and it's a clear chalcedony with some little bitty crystals on the right side. And this was the haul of the ones that I had opened. And I probably have at least another 3 pounds of small little nodules to open. I gotta say, it was well worth it drying out my hands to open up all of these guys, but some of them are gonna polish up to be stunning. Oh, and I think this one is absolutely one of my favorites. Look at the heart! I will be taking some more time to open up more of these, and I'll be posting shorts. Oh, there's an actual geode. And then we had some pink chalcedony, and then every flavor of jasper. Ones that have vugs with quartz in it, some brown jasper, some agatized jasper, some banded brown jasper, and then really mottled agatized jasper, the super, super red kind like this one with those little veins in it. This is the type of jasper you see a lot of sculptures made out of. more agatized jasper. And these were small pieces. They had pieces that were gigantic out there. Like 40 pounders you could carry back to your truck. I wasn't gonna do that. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.